Hey everyone, it's Sarah from casetify.com. Today I have a video showing you how I use alcohol inks. This is to celebrate my new course on Skillshare, which shows you in more detail how I use alcohol inks, and it's definitely a beginner class just to get you into all of the tools and different applications. So take a look at this video, see if it's something you're interested in, and if you are, I will leave a link in the description box of how you can go and check out that class. Also, feel free to check out my Instagram at SarahTypes or my hashtag SarahTypesInk to see more of the alcohol ink pieces I've done. If you haven't seen this type of artwork before, that should give you a good idea of what to expect. I'll link that hashtag down below in the description box as well.